Hi guys, so welcome to my video. I'm here to show you how to fly in ragdoll engine but with balloons. So I'll show you how to fly with balloons, not just jump boost. All you got to do is drink the jump potion and don't buy it. Also speed potion. Put all of these here. Also strength potion. Also not growth potion. So not like that first, but you have to fly with your balloon properly with the super trampoline like this. And then you fly up into the sky, you drop down, okay? You drop down. Just wait for it to drop down. Okay, when you drop down, you can easily fly with the balloons now, look. You just press the jump button so you can fly with the balloons, see? That's how you do the flying balloon glitch in Ragdoll Simulator. Hope you subscribe, guys, and like my channel. So bye, guys. So bye.